Hey guys, let's show you how to get to and remove a thermostat in a 3.5 liter Ford engine. This happens to be a 2012 Ford Explorer. And first thing I'm going to do is grab my flathead screwdriver, if you don't mind. We need to get down in here. Battery here, right underneath the throttle body. That's what we're going for. You're going to have, if memory is correct, 2 8mm bolts. That's all we got to take out if we have to take all this other stuff off, which is fine. We'll just build up some labor hours, right guys? Who wants a thermostat housing that's right in the open? I don't know, I'm just talking smack. I like hearing my own voice. Alright, we got this little tab here, this little clippy clip. Check it. We're gonna push this guy over. Let's push it in. Maybe it'll push over. Alright, it's not cooperating. I need both my hands. We're going to push this tab over, and then we're going to pull this back. Right, Tiff?
Right.
Alright, come on, baby. Work with me. I said work with me. Watch yourself. There we go. Just need 2 hands, that's all. Alright, I'm going to pull this back and then pull this out. And then we got one more hose right here on the side. It's connected to this little guy. And we want to twist it first to kind of break it free and then pull back. Now our air tube is out of the way and our thermostat's going to be sitting right in here. This is some rusty, crusty rust belt oxidization on the aluminum. We're going to pray to the almighty auto gods that the bolts don't snap or anything. If they don't feel right, stop, drop, and roll. Get our 8mm and our 1/4-inch ratchet. Make sure you got your coolant bucket down below, which I do not have out. Oh yeah, it's coming out easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Coolant bucket time. Now you should really be draining your coolant before you do all this jazz, so you know you don't get as much all over the engine. You feel me? All right, the top one cracked free, no problem. Now we're gonna find that bottom one right down in here, and our cable is in the way a little bit. I don't know if an 8mm ratcheting wrench will fit down in there good for us, but it might. But yeah. You know, Jaeger Tools still hasn't given me a shout out for using their tools so much and purchasing a couple sets. That'd be really cool. Oh yeah, 8mm ratcheting wrench is the ticket. Could have used a short socket as well on that Craftsman ratchet, which Craftsman ratchets suck. It's just, I started out as a young man, 15, 16 years old, with a Craftsman ratchet set and their lifetime warranty. And every time you break one, if they don't have the exact one in stock, they'll give you the next model. So, a good 20 years ago, that was a different looking ratchet. Bottom bolt's out. Set it right up there for safekeeping. So this is a pretty easy thermostat to do, guys. Not really much to it. Go. Top bolt's almost out. Let's see if this guy splits open for us. Looks crusty. You're gonna want to clean this up. Oh, came right out. Oh, there's no coolant in it. What the heck? Wouldn't you know? Wouldn't you know? Where's the coolant? Hello? Alright. Where's that flathead screwdriver, guys? Where'd I put it? Right here. Alright. So we got our thermostat housing exposed. There's our thermostat. And here's our problem child. Is it gonna come gushing out? I better stop filming just in case. Or we'll just set you guys back down here. I need to get one of them fancy phone holders that curve around and so you can check out all my beautiful work. Oh, she's in there. She's in there good. Crusty. Rusty. Rusty, crusty. When the sun goes down. Now, all you auto mechanics, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't this little air bleeder doohickey supposed to be at the top, not down here? So it's been replaced before? I don't see Motorcraft stamped on it. Interesting. Let's test this thermostat. See if it's still good. That'll be a video for another time. You know, it'll be fun. Seems loosey-goosey. All right, and there you have it, folks. One thermostat. Ooh, this has had dye put in it. That is not green coolant, guys. That's dye. Let me check this out. Yo. Shiny. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. Say, if you watched all the way to the end, say I love you, Carl. Let me know that you watched all the way to the end. And we'll catch you on the next episode.